Hello friends! Today I am making crispy golden spring rolls, perfect as an appetizer or a Iftar snack. They are crunchy on the outside and packed with flavorful filling inside. Let's start by making the filling. Heat oil in the pan over medium heat. I am using minced chicken, but feel free to skip the meat. Add ginger garlic paste, red chili flakes, white pepper, and salt. Mix and cook until there is no moisture left in the chicken. Then remove it from the heat and let it cool. Next, we will soak the vermicelli rice noodles. Take a large bowl, add the dry noodles and pour hot water over it, making sure all of the noodles are covered with hot water. Let them soak for about 6 to 7 minutes. While the noodles are soaking, in the pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil, add the white part of the spring onions and saute for 2 minutes. Add shredded cabbage and carrots and saute for 10 minutes or until the cabbage is wilted. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. Drain the water from the noodles and run cold water over them to stop the cooking process. Then, in a big bowl, add the noodles, cooked minced chicken, sauteed vegetables, and chopped green part of the spring onions. Add soya sauce, red chili sauce, green chili sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Combine sauces into the vegetable and noodle mixture. Remove the spring roll wraps and cover them with a damp kitchen towel or paper towel to prevent them from drying. Place 1 spring roll wrapper on a flat surface in a diamond shape. Add 2 tablespoons of filling near the bottom corner. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, fold and tuck the sides, and then roll tightly. Seal the edge with a flour slurry and then repeat with the remaining wrappers. Finally, heat oil in a deep fry pan over medium heat. Once hot, carefully add the spring rolls a few at a time and fry until golden brown and crispy, turning occasionally. Remove and drain on a paper towel. You can also use an air fryer to cook these spring rolls. Serve hot with sweet chili sauce, ketchup, or sweet chili garlic sauce. Enjoy!